Look at these freaking berries I made, you guys. OMG. They're cute as little peep berries. Pero like, chill out, because I'm only going to show you guys how I made the actual peep berry, okay? People are always asking me how I do the ear molds for my bunnies, and this is how I do it, you guys. I got this mold like 5 years ago from Michaels, and I've never seen it again. Anyways, as soon as the molds are ready, we're going to go ahead and dip them into some chocolate, and we're going to stick them on the berry, okay? I wanted to make my little berries a little extra, so I decided to get some sanding sugar, but I don't really think this is sanding sugar because they're a little thick. Once the chocolate is set on the strawberry, we're going to go ahead and dip the whole berry, ears and all, y'all. Make sure you guys get them ears because we do not want them to fall off. And while the chocolate is still wet, we're going to go ahead and put all of the sprinkles all over the berry, and it's just going to take it there. You know what I mean? Like, it was giving an 8, but now it's giving a 10 out of 10. Don't forget to add the 3 little dots for the peep face. And of course, knowing me, I'm going to make it a little extra. I found this in the peep section at Walmart, and I needed them for a berry, and I didn't know what I was going to do with them until I made this video, okay? We're going to make a peep holding a freaking peep. Is that not the cutest thing? I wanted to show you guys how I packaged this up for Easter, and they are just so, I'm like, I just can't even talk. I'm obsessed with this freaking little box. I wanted to keep everything peep related, so I ended up getting some peep sprinkles, and I also had like this peep mold that I got from Lavender's Bake Shop, and I'm obsessed, like, obsessed! I don't know what else I can say about this box. I finish off with adding some little yellow chocolate eggs and some glitter, duh! Bye!